As the head harness is different for the CM6M and CM7M, please make sure to select the correct deluxe kit for your model. These replacement parts are not compatible with smaller gas masks for children. Although installation is straightforward, we recommend having these parts installed by a professional respirator service center to ensure the mask seals properly after service. Professional respirator service centers use a negative pressure fit tester to ensure that there are no leaks after new parts are installed. If you choose to install these valves yourself, make sure to conduct a negative pressure test to ensure the mask is properly sealing. MIRA Safety and its affiliates are not responsible for incorrect assembly, improper maintenance, or modifications of the masks